India is paying tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose today on his 125th birth anniversary. The BJP has announced the central government has said that they're celebrating this day as Parakram Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will preside over the inaugural function of Parakram Divas at Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. Prime Minister will inaugurate a permanent exhibition as well as a projection mapping show on Netaji. He's also going to be attending a cultural program. Prime Minister Modi, in his tweet paying tribute to Bose, called Netaji a great freedom fighter and a true son of India. He said that we will always remember Bose's sacrifice and dedication for the independence of the country.
धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी को कि उन्होंने पराक्रम दिवस नाम दिया और अभी जो एक म्यूजियम नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस के लिए बन रहा है कलकत्ता में, वो युवकों को प्रेरणा देगा। मैं समझता हूं कि जो प्रेरणा देने वाले लोग हैं उनके ऊपर किसी का हक थोड़ी है, सबका हक है। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस को आप भी मानिए, हम भी मानते हैं, उसमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कोई राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ता थोड़ी है।
Expect a big political showdown over Netaji's legacy on his 125th birth anniversary in Bengal. The TMC government is all set to celebrate this day as Desh Nayak Divas to honour Netaji. We already told you that the centre is observing it as Parakram Divas. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be holding a roadshow from Shyam Bazaar to Mayo Road in Kolkata. That's slated to happen at around 12 p.m. In the evening, Mamata will be heading to the Victoria Memorial to take part in celebrations there. In a counter move to blunt the Prime Minister's Netaji event, the TMC has painted the streets with posters of Mamata with Netaji, as you see there on your screens. Time and again, remember that Mamata has alleged that Netaji's legacy has been neglected and ignored by the centre. So expect that today there are going to be a lot of events in Kolkata. One by Mamata Banerjee, where she's holding a road show in Kolkata on the occasion of Netaji's birth anniversary. And then you're going to have the Prime Minister landing in Kolkata at about 3 p.m. this afternoon. So it will be interesting to see exactly how there is this legacy fight that plays out in Bengal. So the Prime Minister, before heading to Bengal, is also going to be in Assam briefly. Remember that the state goes to polls later in the year. The Prime Minister, during his short visit to Assam at 11 a.m., will distribute 1.06 lakh land allotment certificates. This is to the people of Shivsagar city. In order to protect the land rights of indigenous people in the state, the BJP government came out with this new land policy, that is the issuance of allotment certificates. The government is trying to instill a sense of security among locals as promised in their manifesto in the previous election. In 2016, Assam had 5.75 lakh landless families. The BJP since then has distributed 2.28 lakh land allotment certificates. This event that will be attended by the Prime Minister will essentially extend the number of beneficiaries under this land policy. Home Minister Amit Shah has also touched down in Assam. He'll be the flag bearer of the Saffron Party's campaign in the poll-bound state. Amit Shah is also going to be attending events in Meghalaya.
हमारी सरकार आज जिस तरह नॉर्थ ईस्ट के विकास से जुटी है, जिस तरह कनेक्टिविटी, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, हर सेक्टर में काम हो रहा है, उससे आपके लिए अनेकों नई संभावनाएं बन रही हैं। इन संभावनाओं का पूरा लाभ उठाइए।
Paulami Saha is joining us live with more details on this. Paulami, as we focus really on the Prime Minister's Bengal visit, this tour of Assam also is very, very crucial because in months there are elections there and the BJP has really been focusing on also giving rights to indigenous people of the state.
Absolutely. The BJP has in fact taken the initiative to start one of these one of the possibly the biggest programs that Assam has seen in terms of giving land allotment certificates to landless indigenous people of Assam. Today the Prime Minister will be in Shivsagar district of Assam, which is in a specific place which is of course connected historically. It has a historical place in Assam because it's connected to the Ahom kingdom, and that is where the Prime Minister will be distributing land pattas, as they are called, to at least over 1 lakh back indigenous people. So a big program that the BJP has been is embarking on, and the Prime Minister will be distributing these land certificates, because the BJP says that they are going to focus on Jati, Mati and Bheti, which is to do with community and roots of the indigenous people of Assam, who have been feeling neglected for a very, very long time. So to reach out to a landless segment, an indigenous segment of Assam, a big campaign by the BJP.
And we'll be tracking the latest updates that come in from Assam as well. Paulmi, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.